Hello everyone! Today, I'll guide you on how to transfer photos from iPhone to Google Drive. First, begin by downloading Google Drive from the App Store. Then, open the app and sign in using your Google account. To upload photos and videos, click on the plus icon. Create a new folder, name it, then tap Create. Within the folder, click on the plus icon again. Choose Upload. Then, Photos and Videos. Don't forget to grant the app access to your photos and select the desired media and upload them. To ensure the safety of your files, restrict folder access. Click on the Folders menu and navigate to Manage People and Links to set permission. For automatic backups, consider the Google Photos app. Download it, give it access, and let it handle the rest. Now, I will teach you on how you can share a link to photos or folders on Google Drive. For method 1, in Google Drive, tap the three dots next to your chosen folder. Then, select Share. Enter the recipient's email and send. For method 2, instead, opt for Manage Access. Then, choose the appropriate access level, restricted or anyone with the link. Decide permission if it's viewer, commenter, or editor. Lastly, tap the icon on the top right to copy the shareable link. And that's it. You've successfully moved and shared your photos via Google Drive. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye bye.